blown by air, passive to what pushes them, shifting, growing, shrinking, dissolving into the sky surrounding them. Bold and strong, heralds of light, shapers of sky, giving form to the formless. Open to the future of their own form. They never stand still, but they never rush to their end. They take as much time as they need. Angelic, choral, they whisper to our eyes, "Listen. Do you hear it? It's the sound of heaven, barely open, but enough for you to just hear it amidst the screams of your world." In these waves of vapor, we see a fish swimming through aerial currents, a child splashing through the ocean of the sky, a ship sailing to the unknown tomorrow.